Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, fog lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.